Manipur Police arrested 3 active cadres of the proscribed outfit KYKL from the Gari Awang Lekai in Infal, West District on September 19th. The arrested cadres have been identified as Maibam Bronson Singh, 24 years, also known as the Ngamba or Thambao, Yumnam Lanchenba, 21 years, also known as Nauba, and Saubam Nongpok Nganba Maite, 52 years. They were involved in extortion activities in the Sekmai and the Thangmaiban areas. From their positions, the police recover 1 9mm pistols along with a magazine, 1 live ammunition round, 5 mobile phones, 1 wallet, and 1 4-wheeler vehicles. Meanwhile, search operations and area dominations were conducted by the security forces in the freeing and the vulnerable areas of hills and the valley districts. During the search operation, the security recovered 7 IEDs weighing 28.5 kgs, 50 meters core tags, and 1 pull and release mechanisms from the Bongjang, Infal East District. On the other hand, the movement of the 213 and 222 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively, where essentials items has been ensured. Strict security measures are taken up in all the vulnerable locations, and a security convoy is provided in the sensitive stretches to ensure free and safe movements of the vehicles. A total of 107 checkpoints were installed in the different districts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley districts, and police detained no persons in connections with violation in different districts of the state.